You want to get paid for finding bugs and testing new apps with Utest? Let's look at the real numbers for this year. So Utest is a completely legitimate platform owned by Applause that connects freelance QA testers with massive brands like Google, Uber, PayPal, and more. Unlike standard survey sites, you are doing real functional UX and AI testing. You are climbing the ranks, then you specialize in hardware or localized payment testing, then you can realistically make a few $100s a month paid out twice a month via PayPal or Pioneer. Here's the catch: the learning curve is incredibly steep. New users have to grind through unpaid UTES Academy just to unlock the invitations to paid projects. Because the platform is highly competitive, paid slots fill up instantly. To make matters worse, you are generally paid per approved bug, meaning you can spend 3 hours testing an app and make $0 if another tester beats you to the report or if the client rejects your bug. So you can just treat this as a slow burn hobby to build up over time. This is not a source of quick cash.